Go on then.
Hi.
Hiya.
I'm Leslie.
I'm Charlotte.
I'm Kelly. What's up?
I'm a lesbian.
I'm a lesbian.
And I'm straight! Bye!
I'm not ruler. I'm straight to flexi ruler, mate. Yes, mate. No, isn't it?
My hair's always a mess.
No, it's not.
Anyway, how old are you?
19, I was going to say 18 then.
I'm 19.
I'm 16.
Just.
Your
baby Kelly.
Little baby.
Who's your papa?
I was like 16 like a few weeks, what, like
Few
a
weeks
week
ago.
Like a week ago.
A week ago today, actually.
Was it? No, my birthday was on Wednesday. It was a week ago yesterday.
Anyway.
Just to be difficult.
Anyway.
Yeah. These two are together, by the way. In case you can't tell.
We's engaged.
We is, yeah, we is.
Yeah. When did you guys get engaged, anyways?
The 9th.
9th
No.
of July, 3 days after my birthday.
It was, yeah.
It's dead.
Ow! Did I just punch you?
No.
Anyway.
If you punch me, I'd punch you back, Leslie.
Okay, anyway, we're all from Nailsworth in England.
Just tell everyone.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
in Gloucester, by the
Shall I
way.
find us?
Gloucestershire.
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 With a tractor and a trailer, but no fucking chickens.
And a combine harvester!
And a combine harvester!
Anyway.
I don't know these two.
We're very strange people.
Yeah, anyway, what are we talking about?
Cheese.
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 Anyway,
Yes, Kelly.
Kelly's only here because her brother's gay, so that's
Okay.
why Kelly's here.
Yeah.
Because she practically lives in it.
Yeah, she lives here. She lives in the corner. Prod her every now and then, just to see if she's alright. Maybe get her to do some funny stuff.
Juggle.
I live
Juggle
around.
bit.
I live around the corner actually, but you know.
She's here all the time.
Yeah.
She never goes.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
She's definitely...
I'm gonna die here, so you know.
Yeah.
Joy.
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 You'll just find me like sprawled out on the floor one day.
We really want to get rid of her, but she's not getting the hint yet.
I love you.
We haven't fed her for weeks.
No, we're waiting for the Grim Reaper just to wander through the door at some point and we're like, yeah, she's dead. And start stabbing her in the face. I'd laugh. Grim Reaper start stabbing her in the
Right,
face.
okay, these are actually two of my really good friends, okay, and I actually love them, and I'm sure you guys love me too, and she just kissed me on the cheek.
No, I hate you.
I hate you.
I hate you.
Yeah, basically, okay, if you turn around, right, Leslie's been eating Charlotte.
No,
That
wasn't me.
And
I have socks.
You're all mad.
Thank you very much. Ma.
so yeah,
Did you just
we're,
burp?
I did.
yeah, we're
That's like, it's like milk or magnesia.
Just burping at me.
Yeah, just burping at you.
You should sing, you don't know it.
No, don't go.
oh yeah,
Hi, Mom.
Come in, come say hi.
No.
Hi, Mum.
right, okay, Margaret's Leslie's mom, she
there.
says hey,
She's just chilling.
yeah,
Just
chilling, yeah.
Good night.
Good night!
Just go in bed.
We love you.
Love you too.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you. Mwah.
Clean yourself up.
I like your shorts.
It's got little pink.
Oh, they're awesome!
Why have you got your shoes on?
That is some nice style then, isn't it?
Oh, that's
Yes!
it.
I go bowling.
Put your roll away, Mum. Go to bed. Go to bed.
Bedtime. No, it's past bedtime.
Right, off you go.
No, Mum.
Night!
That's my mum.
And my
Her
mum.
name's Margaret. She's cool.
It's our mum.
That's our
It's
mum.
our mum. Oh, so you all know this video is in memory of Edward.
Yeah, it's
My
in
fancy mouse.
It's in loving dedication and whatever.
Memory.
Loving memory of dedication. Yeah, it's in loving memory, and it's dedicated to Edward the mouse, who died
unfortunately
today.
died today, yes.
And it's very sad, but Edward was a true mouse.
He was a bastard. He made me feel it twice.
Yeah,
The little bitch.
he had a habit.
Edward.
He had a biting habit of fucking hell. I can't talk. He had a bite. My phone's going off. He had a
was that your
biting
phone?
habit. Yeah, it was mine.
computer
To bite Charlotte.
And he also had a
What's
crush
a
on me because when we had him out running around earlier on today, he liked to go down in my vagina. That sounds really wrong. Oh my gosh, should I go get Tia?
Yeah, go get her.
Tia also fancies me as well. She's gay.
Tia is a baby dog. Okay.
She's gay.
She's gay. Yeah. She tries pulling Charlotte's like trousers down
She
and
likes
everything.
boobs.
This is Tia.
This is Tia.
Tia.
Tia, do my catch up
Say it, dog.
She got
She bled.
She blood.
This is Tia.
That's
Say hello, Tia.
She's fat. My memory was full, so I had to start it again. Just say bye.
I mean, we couldn't go without saying bye, could we? Even though we kind of did sort of say bye, but we're going now.
We did
Yeah.
say bye, but they didn't record.
No, yeah, we did, yeah.
We did say bye.
It
but
sort
not
of
being
stopped
rude.
halfway through a conversation.
Stupid Greta.
My camera's called Gertrude.
Okay.
Where's before you
So yeah,
leaving?
I'm sure I'll make an appearance next week.
You'll probably be
Probably
in next
will,
week or the
then.
week
Oh,
after.
quite.
She'll be in it.
I'll be in there a few times. It depends on where I am, what I'm doing.
Whether she's here or not.
If she's
Yeah.
died or not.
Yeah, if I've died or not.
Yeah, whether she's still
And
is.
I'm sure there'll be a running joke, especially from Charlotte,
You'll hear many
for
of that.
the whole Grim Reaper, me dying one week and then coming back the next.
She came back from the dead. She does it repeatedly.
She does it all the time.
It's like me.
She's like the Phoenix.
I'm Voldemort.
She's
I'm Voldemort, mate. I got 7 Horcruxes, it's great.
no, you're.
I don't want to be a bird.
Why? But it's
Bird.
Ace. He's like.
Yeah, but do you remember the Chamber of Secrets when he goes gives Harry
Oh yeah.
the sword, right, and then he cries and he fixes Harry's arm and Harry goes, oh yeah, Phoenix to his healer, and Phoenix goes, "Bark," and Harry says,
Yeah. Okay, so I'm now a bird that goes
Ha.
catches fire and then is reborn from the ashes. So
Voldemort
yeah,
makes
we
some
we
weird
need to go because I need to install.
yeah.
So
Anyway, so see you later.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
See you next week.
okay, bye.
Bye.
And cut.